Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my business, the School of Nomads, and kind of talk to you about how we're growing and how the actual channel is getting bigger, and also kind of give you some insights into how you can actually grow your own business online. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're blogging or your social media. A lot of the concepts I'll talk about, and this is going to be very casual conversation, guys, is just a lot of the concepts I'll talk about are really applicable. It doesn't really matter what you're using to actually develop your content with. So this video is really for newbies online that want to understand how to actually grow a proper business online. Now, the reason I say proper is because I've just come off yet another review that I've done for kind of a Warrior Plus product, and it's the usual thing. It promises everything on the sales page, and it's not really delivering you anything, right? Now, one of the biggest issues with most of these products on Warrior Plus is that the piece around the traffic, how you actually get visitors over to whatever great software it is completely missing. So one of the solutions that I have, and this is something that I've built up over time, is the ability to generate traffic from YouTube. Now again, it doesn't matter if you're blogging or your social media, the concept around how I've managed to build a channel that generates this much traffic is exactly the same. So I want to show you a little bit about kind of the back door of my YouTube channel and show you some of the stats, and then explain to you a little bit about how you can do the same thing for your own business, even if you're just starting out. So here is the analytics platform of my YouTube channel. Now, remember, this is completely free traffic, right? I've never paid for traffic to come over to the channel. And if you do pay for traffic, then you're actually going to harm your channel more than you're going to help it. The reason I say that is that those people that are going to subscribe because you paid for them won't ever actually watch any of your videos. So it'll affect your watch time. So you'll never ever get monetized. There's a kind of rollerball effect with having that kind of traffic. This is real organic traffic. And I'll talk a little bit about the types of videos I do. Now, you can see here I've made about 283,000 views so far, 16,000 hours of watch time, 4,500 subscribers in the last 365 days. It's nearly 6,000 now, and around about $7,500 in revenue because the channel was actually monetized in July. Now, this is all completely free traffic. Now, how have I managed to do this? When I just jump back into the channel itself, I am very, very consistent in the type of products and services I review on the channel. This channel is about affiliate marketing. So if you've got a business, it doesn't matter what niche it's in, you need to make sure that you're sticking to that niche and producing content within that niche on a regular basis. Now, one thing that most newbies do is they chase the money first. They don't actually build a business with content, with value that you can offer people. What they're trying to do is chase the money first. Now, if that's you, I'm afraid that there's a very high percentage of chance you're actually going to fail. What you need to do is actually build a business up that provides value with people, give people content that they actually want to see, and then only then do you then start promoting various products and services to them. And that's exactly what I do here. In most of my videos, I actually give away completely free training, which you'll see in the link below, by the way, guys, that teaches people how to do affiliate marketing. Now, that training is very, very high quality. It gives you a step-by-step action plan into how you actually build a business online, and I give that away for free. Now, by doing that, if I just come over to my paid kickstart, I've made around $16,000 just from one affiliate network, and there's multiple that I'm actually a member of. And also, you saw the $7,500 monetization on the channel. So as you start adding all of these kind of affiliate networks up, I make a substantial amount of money just off one channel, right? And this is my only source of traffic and my only source of revenue by putting the videos on this channel. Now, the reason I'm being able to do that is because I'm consistent. You're consistently uploading content that people want to see. Now, as far as I'm concerned, these are reviews and these are value videos. You see here that $1,500 per video one, that's a value video. This video I'm doing now would be a value video. I'm not trying to sell you anything. All I'm trying to do is give you a little bit of information to help you out. That's the whole idea of it. Now, the other ones are straight on reviews. So I do something called launch jacking, where you actually review products that are just coming out. The reason I do that is because these products get a bit of buzz when they're being launched. People search for reviews and you give them some honest reviews. And you see here, I hardly promote any of these products. In fact, most of them I wouldn't promote anyway. But that's not the way that I make my money. I make my money by having a process where I give people away brilliant training for free, and then later date I promote other products and services to them that I know will be valuable. And the idea is I know they will be, and I've never had a comeback from anybody that says that product you recommended wasn't very good. Right? So you have to build a business that's like that. And I'm speaking to a few people. I understand that. Most people will watch this video and turn it off after a couple of minutes and say, I just want the money. I just want to go and get $1,000 a day on Warrior Plus and all of that stuff. But that is not going to be realistic for the vast majority of you guys. It really isn't. What you need to do is you need to set up a blog, social media. It could be TikTok. It depends, the kind of character you are. I use YouTube, and you drive traffic over to some kind of offer, and that's how you collect people's email addresses, and then on the back end of that you can actually promote other products and services to those folks, and that really works. What doesn't work ever is any of these push button kind of solutions you see on things like Warrior Plus that promising you free traffic in 30 seconds. My channel has taken me nearly a year and a half now to build up to, let's say, 6,000 subscribers. The Make Money Online niche is a very, very small niche, and there's kind of a closed shop in some ways. So there is a lot of people out there, and there's a lot of growth for this channel that I can still achieve. I'm trying to do different types of videos now to kind of move away from the reviews a little bit to help more people out, so it's not very just streamlined to one type of video. And there's a huge potential in growth in this channel. And the reason I can achieve that is because I'm trying to help people first and then earn money on the back end. Okay, guys? So again, I just come off this review. I wanted to give you a little bit of information around my channel, give you a kind of a progress report. And if any of you guys need any help whatsoever and you want to understand how to set up a business, go ahead and leave me a comment below. You'll see my email below. Get in contact with me. Let's have a talk, and I'll recommend whatever products and services I think are going to help you. And in the meantime, guys, go and grab that training, because it is excellent training, and it's the exact way that I started online. So I hope that was valuable to you guys. Until next time, take care.